for today's video. Nandito po ako sa build a tower kasi nga gumawa ako guys ng video pero hindi natulog. So, let's go! First, this. It does disappear, so be careful. And if you were hard, just do this. Oops. There. Tapos. Aray ko pa! So, may ano dito ako mic. Akong bigyan ako nandito ako guys, may ako nandito ako iniisip in the next video, in part 2, kasama ko Roblox game. I have a note guys for the Roblox game. If I'm bored playing Roblox game, I have a notebook. You cannot I have 14 platforms, so yeah. Don't worry. Add me if you want. Add me if you want. My name is Roblox is Melissa. Chat_1 chat. That's my username. So add me right now, bro. I'm sorry that my into ako. Again. So I'm gonna play this. These players have a player have this. I'm sorry that I'm always singing. I love singing. My hobby is so I think guys, I know this tower. I have a tower like this in my old tower. It's named Ganda Ayala. philosopher. I have right to. Ganyan din siya. Pero, iba siya. Pero, ang pangalan, agad celebrating tawag. Bro, So I'm done playing this game.